Ding! I got an idea. Hi kids, I'm ZAPPo. Ready for fun today? Subscribe for more fun learning.
Wow, colors are everywhere. Let's explore them together.
Something feels strange. Where did all the colors go? Oh no, the colors are gone. We need to fix this. Don't worry. We can bring the colors back together. Come with me. We are going on a color adventure. Hey, look there. Something bright is coming. Wow, this is red, bright and strong. Apples can be red. Red is bold and bright. Say it with me. Red. Come on.
Let's find another color. What could it be?
Blue, cool and calm.
The sky and water are blue, so peaceful.
The sun is yellow. It makes everything shine. These are primary colors, red, blue, and yellow. Remember them. They are very important.
Ding! Let's try mixing colors. Mix, something magical is happening.
Wow. Can you see the new color coming? Yes, orange. Red and yellow made orange. Orange is bright and fun. What happens with blue and yellow?
Mix. Let's see.
Wow, green. Amazing.
Green makes nature look alive.
Now let's try red and blue. Mix, watch carefully.
Yes, purple. You're amazing. Everything looks better, but something is still missing. Oh no, some things are still gray. We must fix them.
Let's answer more questions and bring them back.
What color is cotton? Can you guess?
Yes, white, so soft and clean. Now, what color is coal? Yes, black. Great thinking. Yummy chocolate. What color is it? You know this one. Tell me.
Yes, brown. Delicious and rich.
What color is this flower?
Think. You are doing amazing. Yes, pink. So pretty.
Wow, you are doing so great. We're almost done.
Wow, it's working! We fixed it!
We did it together. The world is full of colors again.
Everything is bright again. Colors are everywhere. When colors come together, something beautiful happens.
All colors together make a rainbow. Magical! You helped me save the color world. Thank you. You are amazing! Tell me, what is your favorite color?
Write your answer in the comments.
Tap like if you love colors. I'll see you next time.
Keep learning. Keep smiling. Wait, one more thing. Don't forget to subscribe.
Keep your brain buzzing. See you next time.